Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making paper squishy packaging. So let's get started. And we're going to go over the things you're going to need. So the things you're going to need are coloring supplies, a Ziploc baggie, paper, Scotch tape, your squishy, and scissors. Let's get straight on to the video. So first thing you're going to want to do is cut your paper in like the size of your bag, like this. So it should fit across like that. So yeah, I already did that. So you can pause the video if you need to still do that, but yeah. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to color your outside. So in this case, since I'm doing my cheesy puff, I'm going to do it in orange and this orange yellow. So I'm just gonna write in bubble letters quickly cheese puff. Okay, I'm just choosing to do it in bubble letters, but you don't have to do it in bubble letters. So I'm writing down trying to do this quickly. Cheese. E. Oh no. E. E. S. Cheese. E. E. S. Last, you guys, cheese. Puff. Okay, you don't have to be as extra as I was, but take your time to design your little front page. And then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take your Ziploc baggie and take your Scotch tape and tape it to the front. So I take it and like put it on the side like this, and then stick like that, and then take it down that way so it goes to the bottom. But I'm gonna try not to fold the bag next time. Line it up perfectly with the paper, the bag, and then tape down like that. Should look like this so far, with one hanging off. You're gonna want to do that to the other side, and you can laminate the little paper part that we're taping on right now if you would like to. You don't have to do that. I'm not even gonna do it. It's optional. But then take a piece of tape and put it down there so it secures it down there like that. And then, this is just to be real extra, I'm taking one piece of tape and folding it like that, and then folding this piece on top so it's like a little circle like that. Then I'm going to open into this gap there between the bag and the thing, and I'm going to put it on there and then stick it on there so that it doesn't flap open like that. That is completely optional to you. You don't have to be as extra as me because sometimes I like it to be a little bit extra. But I have to be like me, guys. I'm always extra. Oh, that was extra right there. So, yeah, I'm just quickly doing that. I'm putting that across so that it sticks down like that. And this is what I have so far. So, the next step is really easy. Just open up your little Ziploc packaging and put your little cheesy puffy or whatever you want in there. Close it up and you have your packaging. I really like it. Yay! So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment down below if you liked it. And yeah, see you all next time. Okay, bye!